river is so clean and full of happy fish. Oh no! The river is getting dirty! The river is polluted. The fish can't live like this. Look! The river guardians are here to help. Quick! Quick! We must save the river! Let's put the magic water filter into the river. Look! The dirty water is turning clean. Wow! The river is starting to get clean again. Let's clean up all the trash and recycle it. Hooray! The fish are swimming happily again. Look! The whole river is becoming clean and beautiful again. We did it! The river is saved! The river is alive and full of joy again.
Let's keep our rivers clean so life can go on.